The YJAF-819R umbrella was sold at Lowe's. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your umbrella, please refer to the manufacturer model number YJAF-819R or YJAF-819D. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the umbrella is 11 feet and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this umbrella are: original canopy color is red, base of umbrella has a fabric cover and not a hard shell cover. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit this umbrella. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.